Do you remember that feeling? That pure, unadulterated joy when you first saw Cinderella's ball gown? Or the thrill when Peter Pan took flight? For so many of us, Disney characters aren't just characters, they're woven into the fabric of our childhood. They're memories, dreams, and a little bit of magic we carry with us. And what better time to unleash that inner child, embrace the magic, and literally step into the shoes of our heroes and villains than Halloween? From the streets of your neighborhood to the parks during Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, Disney fans take Halloween to a whole new level. Get ready, because today we're diving deep into the wonderful, whimsical, and sometimes wonderfully wild world of Disney Halloween costumes. We're talking inspiration, costume categories, do-it-yourself secrets, and why for us Disney fans, Halloween is truly the most magical time of the year. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Finding Your Disney. I'm Rachel, and if you're like me, you probably have a special place in your heart for all things Disney. But when October rolls around, that love just explodes, right? Halloween isn't just about candy and spooky scares for us. It's an annual invitation to step into the stories we adore. Think about it. We grew up with these characters. They taught us about courage, friendship, love, and believing in ourselves. So when we don a costume, we're not just putting on clothes, we're reliving those cherished childhood memories. We're embodying a piece of our history, and frankly, it feels incredible. So in this episode, we're celebrating you, the dedicated Halloween costumers. And hey, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on the magic. First up, for the individual Disney devotee, this is where you shine on your own. Maybe you've always dreamed of being a fierce Mulan, a whimsical Mary Poppins, or an iconic Captain Jack Sparrow. The solo costume is all about personal passion. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Your favorite movie, a character that resonates with your personality, or even a deep-cut character that only true fans will recognize and appreciate. It's your moment to capture the essence of that character, from their signature pose to their most famous accessory. Next, let's talk about stepping out with your significant other, your best friend, or a sibling. The Disney universe is brimming with iconic pairs, from the timeless romance of Belle and Beast to the adventurous spirit of Carl and Ellie from Up, or even the hilarious partnership of Timon and Pumbaa. The possibilities are endless. This category is fantastic because it allows for incredible storytelling. You can recreate an iconic scene, highlight a beloved relationship, or even put a fun, unexpected twist on a classic duo. It's about shared passion and bringing those beloved interactions to life together. But if you really want to make a statement, gather your friends or family and go for the group ensemble. This is where you see truly breathtaking creativity. Imagine a cast of characters from the 101 Dalmatians, an entire pirate crew from Pirates of the Caribbean, or the whole gang from Toy Story. Group costumes are about collaborative creativity and maximum impact. They turn heads and they get applause, and they truly capture their spirit of community that Disney itself embodies. Whether it's your immediate family or your extended group of Disney-loving friends, these ensembles are where the magic truly comes to life on a grand scale. Now let's tackle the age-old Halloween costume question. Do you DIY it or buy it? And my answer is always whatever brings you joy. For those creative souls who love to craft, sew, and tinker, the DIY route is a passion project. It's incredibly rewarding to see your vision come to life, piece by painstaking piece. The sense of accomplishment when you create a unique, screen-accurate, or even inspired Disney look from scratch is unmatched. Plus, it often allows for custom fits and personal touches that make your costume truly one of a kind. But let's be real. Not everyone has the time, skill, or inclination to become a costume designer overnight, and that's perfectly fine. There are so many incredible Disney costumes available to be purchased, from highly detailed collector's editions to fun, comfy options for a party. The goal is to celebrate Disney, right? Whether you're buying a full ensemble or just finding key pieces to pull together an outfit, the focus is on embodying that character. No judgment here, just pure Disney delight. Thinking about joining the Disney Halloween fun, but want something relatively simple? Here are a few easy-to-create ideas that still pack a magical punch. Minnie or Mickey Mouse, classic. Black pants or skirt, red shirt, white gloves, and a pair of ears. You're instantly recognizable. That Disney-bound character. This isn't strictly a costume, but it's perfect for a subtle nod. Use everyday clothes in the color palette of your favorite character. Think red and black polka dots for Minnie, or blue and yellow for Snow White. A lost toy from Andy's room. Wear a plaid shirt, jeans, and a cowboy hat, then draw Andy on the bottom of your shoe. Instant Toy Story. Boo from Monsters, Inc. A pink oversized t-shirt, purple leggings, and pigtails with elastic bands. Super cute and comfortable. Russell from Up. Khaki shorts or pants, an orange polo, a sash covered in homemade badges, and a little explorer hat. So charming. See, you don't have to be a master seamstress or spend a fortune to capture that Disney magic. It's all about fun and embracing the spirit. So there you have it, a celebration of all things Disney Halloween costumes. For us fans, Halloween isn't just a holiday, it's a cherished tradition and a chance to step back into our childhoods and live out those fantastical dreams and share that magic with the world. It's a physical expression of our love for these timeless Disney stories and characters. What's your favorite Disney Halloween costume you've ever worn or seen? Are you a solo adventurer, part of a dynamic duo, or do you rally the troops for an epic group costume? Do you love the challenge of DIY, or are you all about finding that perfect purchase ensemble? Let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing your stories and seeing your creativity. If this video brought a smile to your face and got you excited for Halloween, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any more finding your Disney exciting content. And until next time, keep making magic wherever you go.